Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to delete Facebook account. To delete Facebook account, first you have to open your browser and then go to facebook.com or open the application itself. Then make sure that you are logged in. After this, tap on the three horizontal lines located on the top right. Scroll down and tap on Settings. Here, tap on See More in Account Center. Now tap on Personal Details. Here, tap on Account Ownership and Control. It will help you manage your data, modify your legacy contact, and deactivate or delete your accounts and profiles. After this, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Tap on the account you want to delete or deactivate. To temporarily stay away from Facebook and social media, you can deactivate your account. If not, you can delete your account permanently by tapping on Delete Account and then tap on Continue. Here you have to choose a reason for leaving Facebook. You can choose any and then tap on Continue. Before you completely delete your account, you have to make sure that you don't want Messenger or download your Facebook information or anything. Then just tap on Continue. You have to enter password for security reasons. Make sure it is correct. And then tap on Continue. Now you are about to schedule your account for permanent deletion. Once you have scheduled your account for deletion, you have 30 days to reactivate your account and cancel the deletion. After 30 days, the deletion process will begin and you won't be able to retrieve any of the content or information that you have added. You can cancel the permanent deletion process at any time before the process starts through Account Center or by logging into your account with your email address or phone number and password. Now to confirm permanent account deletion, you can tap on Delete Account button. And here you go. Now your account is scheduled to be deleted in 30 days. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.